Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a lease agreement using a PDF template. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to generate a professional lease document using dynamic placeholders. Step 1. Uploading the Ontario Lease template. First, we upload the standard Ontario Lease Agreement template. This document is available from the Ontario government website. Once uploaded, the system automatically detects dynamic fields in the document. Step 2. Understanding dynamic fields. Dynamic fields act as placeholders for specific information. For example, tenant details, homeowner details, and property information. Our goal is to map these placeholders to the correct data fields. Step 3. Assigning placeholders to tenant and homeowner profiles. Now, we click on each placeholder field to check its assigned name. For every field, we select the correct profile data, such as tenant name, homeowner name, rental property address, lease start and end dates, monthly rent amount. If there are multiple tenants, we assign them separately. For example, tenant 1, tenant 2, and so on. Step 4. Assigning completion responsibility. Next, we decide who needs to fill out each field. If the fields needs to be dynamically filled or admin needs to complete, we select Creator. If the tenant needs to enter information, we assign it to tenant, and if homeowner needs to complete it, then choose homeowner. This ensures that each party only edits the fields relevant to them. Step 5. Saving and generating the lease. Once all placeholders are mapped correctly, we save the template. Now, we generate a new lease agreement based on the template. As you can see, the dynamic fields have been filled automatically. Step 6. Sharing the lease document. The lease document is now ready to be shared. We can send it via email, share a secure link. Since we are the creator and these fields were assigned to us, we have access to it to edit. Step 7. Signing the lease agreement. When a tenant or homeowner clicks on Sign, they can only edit the fields assigned to them. For example, if the homeowner has a signature field, only they can sign it. If the tenant has a section to review, they can fill in their details. And that's it. We have successfully created, populated, and shared a lease agreement using a PDF template. This method ensures accuracy and saves time for landlords and tenants. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.